Na mbunge wa Westlands Timu Wanyonyi amesikitishwa na jinsi janga la virusi vya korona limewatia wasiwasi wa Kenya na kuelezea matumaini kwamba Mola ataleta suluhu.
If a Chinese plane is going to land here again, I will resign as a Minister for Security, I will resign as a Minister for Transport or Minister for Health, because it will be violating the rights of Kenyans. So this is something that we must take with a lot of, anxiety. As Kenyans, we are saying no to our government to put us in that kind of exposure. They are exposing us to danger. If China is grappling with the coronavirus, how about us? What if it comes here? Can we manage? We are being told there are only 11 beds in Kenyatta, and that thing is, is a viral. It will just spread like wildfire. It will destroy Kenya. So we are saying no, and we don't want to be taken for a ride. If the ministers are misleading the president, they should be made to resign. They should take moral responsibility of exposing Kenya to that thing.